You know, for years, this was me before every single exam, drowning in notes, rereading chapters over and over, hoping something would stick. It felt like I was spending all my time just preparing to study, not actually learning. It was exhausting. But what if I told you there's a smarter way? A way to take all your notes, your textbooks, even your lecture transcripts, and turn them into a powerful study tool automatically. Today, I'm going to show you my secret weapon for acing exams. It's called Brainscape. Let's get started. First, head over to brainscape.com. Once you've signed up, you'll be on your main dashboard. Now you have two main options. You can either find flashcards that are already made by experts and other students, which is amazing for standardized tests. But today, we're going to do something even more powerful. We're going to make flashcards using AI. Click that Make Flashcards button. Give your class a name. Let's call it Biology Midterm. Now inside your class, click plus New Deck. We'll name this one Cell Biology. This is where the magic happens. Instead of typing out every single card one by one, look for the button that says Make Cards with AI. A window will pop up. Now all you have to do is paste in your content. This could be your class notes, a section from a digital textbook, or even an article. I'm just pasting in my notes here. Now I'll click Create Flashcards. Brainscape's AI scans the text, identifies the key concepts, and instantly generates a full deck of questions and answers. And boom, look at that. In seconds, we have a complete, ready-to-use study deck. The real power of Brainscape is how you study. When you study a deck, after you reveal the answer to a card, you have to rate how well you knew it on a scale of 1 to 5. If you rated a 1, Brainscape will show you that card again very soon. If you rated a 5, it knows you've got it down, so it will show it to you much later. This is called spaced repetition. It forces you to focus on your weaknesses so you're not wasting time on the stuff you already know. It's scientifically proven to be twice as effective as traditional study methods. So if you're ready to stop drowning in paper and start learning more efficiently, you have to try Brainscape. The link is right there in the description below. Go turn your notes into a supercharged study tool and then come back and let me know in the comments how it went. And if this video helped you, please give AIChief a like, subscribe for more game-changing study hacks, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. See you in the next one.